Capucina Ballerina just scheduled a business meeting at the Uwu Cafe, and she invited Liralai Larila. Yes, that Liralai Larila. But this isn't about coffee. They're negotiating who owns the last strawberry milk. Liralai Larila pulls out a spreadsheet. She's been planning this for years. Capucina counteroffers with cupcakes. The cafe barista starts crying. The milk frother explodes. The deal collapses. The milk is spilled. Uwu Cafe is banned from capitalism. Capucina Ballerina realizes business isn't about winning. Liralai Larila slides the milk back. Let's share. They reopen Uwu Cafe as a co-op.